Cream cheese sandwich is the easiest and healthiest snack that requires no cooking as it is a cold sandwich. Let me show you how you can make it quickly with vegetables in your fridge. Watch video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more recipes like this. Make small dice-like pieces of carrot, cucumber, tomatoes and bell pepper. Make sure you de-seed them before cutting. Watch my other videos to learn cutting vegetables properly. Chop green chilies, ginger, garlic and coriander. Remember, everything is optional in this sandwich. Take a quarter cup of cream cheese in a bowl. I used a famous brand which is already salted. Now add your vegetables one by one into the cream cheese. Gently fold the vegetables into cream cheese. Add fresh coriander in the end and sprinkle some freshly grounded black pepper. Take a slice of bread and spread the cream cheese mixed with vegetables evenly on it. Cover it with other slice and cut all the 4 sides as they are hard to chew. Now make a diagonal cut to make 2 sandwiches. Your sandwich is now ready and you can eat it with tea, coffee, cold drink or any other drink of your choice. If you like this video, please tell us in the comments and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon.